It's unfortunate that as he was entering the plane, he lost breath and for some reason was unable to regain his breath and passed on. We want to thank Dr. Amoth, who was a passenger who was traveling with other passengers, including other governors, was there on hand to try to resuscitate and bring back my brother Charles Kipng'ok to life, but unfortunately they were not able to. We do not know the cause of the death. We are not competent to say it. We await the results of any post-mortem that will be done so that we can be able to communicate to the people of Baringo County.